हेलो एवरीबॉडी, हाउ आर यू? आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर डूइंग गुड। उम्मीद कर रहा हूं कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। सो दिस वीडियो इज रिगार्डिंग द सीए न्यू कोर्स. There are a lot of speculations going on regarding the CA new course applicability, that whether it is going to be applicable from May 24 or not, whether it is going to be applicable from November 24, May 25. So there are a lot of things going on. Sir, मन में बहुत चीजें चल रही हैं, सर दिमाग में बहुत चीजें चल रही है, क्या करें क्या ना करें, right? So I'll give you a very simple solution. Stop thinking about it. Sir, कैसी बात कर दी sir? How can we stop thinking about it? You have to. Because everything right now is speculative, right? And the final decision is not in your hand. The final decision is going to be the institute's decision, whether it is going to be applicable from May 24 or November 24, whatever the institute will decide, right? And that will be the best one for you. Obviously, sir, institute cares for you. They will decide what is best for you, right? And it is not in your hands, sir. Whatever the decision will be, you will have to abide by it. But what you people have to do right now, अभी आपको क्या करना है? जो आपके हाथ में है, what is in your hand? Sir, what is in our hand? Sir, nothing, sir. We are just in our hand right now is worry and worry regarding the new course, that whether it is going to be applicable from May 24 or not. I am not going to enter into any speculative mode that whether it will be or not. I'm just waiting for the official word from the institute. That's it. Right? I'll not say anything that whether it will not be applicable, whether it will be applicable or not, because that will add to only the speculations, right? That will add to the more tensions. But I will guide you that how to tackle this, how to go through this passage. I know it's tough. I know it's not easy, right? But still, you people can do it. How, sir? Start preparing. Start preparing with those subjects where we are expecting no changes. Especially the cost accounting. Sir, obviously there are not going to be any changes, and if there are, those are going to be the minor deletions only. There are no additions expected in cost accounting. So why not start with the cost accounting part, sir? Our whole course of cost accounting is there on YouTube. You don't have to invest anything. Just start with the YouTube lectures only. Just start with the free content as of now. Don't invest anywhere, right? I also have the paid content along with the free YouTube lectures, but I'm saying start with the YouTube lectures, start with the concepts. Why are you wasting time? Why are you wasting time in thinking that whether it will be applicable in May 24 or not, right? Just, thinking about it and wasting every bit of your time. And this precious time is not going to come back. The decision, you are not the decision maker. You are nothing will change, if you will keep on thinking, just sitting and keep on thinking about whether it is going to be applicable or not. Nothing is going to change, right? The ultimate decision is in the hands of ICAI, and they will think the best for it. They will take the best of decision for you guys, right? So what you have to do is stop looking at all the speculations. Just start working on whatever you can. What is in your hand, just start doing that. Start with any of the subjects where you are expecting no changes, right? I know my subjects, cost accounting, there is not going to be any change. Financial management, no major changes. Obviously, EFF, don't start with the EFF because it is going to be removed in the new course, right? And accounting standards, you can start with accounting standards. There will be no major change in the accounting standards, I guess. Right? The rest your teachers can guide you much better than that, because I can guide you for my subjects, right? For cost accounting, you can blindly go for it. You can blindly go for it, sir, right? And believe me, some of the students for May 24, November 24 are buying the costing all-rounder course right now, because they know, and we are assuring you that there is not going to be any change in the cost accounting. It is a very static subject. It is a very static subject, right? For financial management, even if you don't want to invest anywhere, just start with the YouTube lectures, sir. Every bit of YouTube lectures, everything, every concept is available on the YouTube, on this channel only, KSJ Teaching. Everything is provided to you guys. So just make the use of it, right? And one more thing, you can help your KSJ family grow. Keep sharing with all your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet, and hit the like button, right? So see you guys very soon with any other update on the ICAI new course that we will be getting. We'll be updating you. So for that, press the bell icon also along with the subscription. See you guys very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.